What's up everyone, this is Elijah and let me welcome you to another video about the app lifestyle, the place where the world is literally in the palm of your hand. And in this video we're going to be talking about the investing app known as M1 Finance. We're going to be doing a full tutorial on how to operate the M1 Finance app, as overall it is a simple interface, but it is just a little more complicated than some of the other online apps out there when it comes to investing. But no worry, we're still going to cover it. Keep in mind that this is a tutorial and not a review. If you want to see my M1 Finance review, click in the right hand corner. And if you haven't signed up for M1 Finance and want to do so, you can do so in the link in the description or also by clicking in the card in the right hand corner. Note that I am affiliated with M1 Finance, so I will get a commission and that will help to support this channel. I want to be transparent with you guys. With that being said, that's 100% up to you. So let's get into the tutorial. Once you download the app, it's going to ask you to officially sign up. From there, you'll need to decide what kind of account you want, whether it's going to be an individual taxable account, a Roth IRA, separate IRA. I mean, that's completely up to you. Then it's going to ask for your tax information and certain things about your investing needs or what you want. Once this happens, it's going to walk you through the process of how to make your first pie or portfolio, or how to select an expertly crafted pie. For those of you that have already designed the pie and you just want to make another one, you'll want to click on the research button at the bottom right of the screen and click on My Pies. From here you click the plus at the top right of the screen, press the plus in the center, and from here you can go ahead and start building another pie. Now for those of y'all that are signing up, you'll be taken here from the get-go. So you'll have the option to build a portfolio by yourself, or you could pick one of these expertly drawn pies. What I mean by expertly is these have been picked by financial advisors, people who are considered to be experts. That's for demonstration purposes. I'm gonna actually show y'all how to build your own pie. So I'm just gonna pick 3 companies, say Amazon, Apple, and Facebook. Click the done button. What you see right here is the actual percentages of these stocks. So what portion of your money do you want to go towards each one? So let's say I wanted Amazon, half the money I put in this pie to go to Amazon, and 25 to Apple, 25 to Facebook. Okay, I press save, then you simply name the pie, save, and then you will be ready to go. Then the pie will appear right next to your other pies or portfolios. Let's say if I want to delete a pie, hit the dots next to the pie, press delete, then poof, it's gone. Now I didn't put any money in there, so it's not gonna split up the stocks, sell them, and all that stuff, but that is how you delete a pie. If at any point you want to change the percentages of your stocks on an existing pie, you just click the pie, then click the targets over here, and it will show the percentages and you can edit them. If you ever want to do research on particular stocks, you can type them in the research button at the bottom right of the screen. Type in the stock that you're interested in taking a look at. So I'll just type in Google, for instance. And this has information on the stock that you can take advantage of when making your decision on if you want to invest in it. Price history, 52-week range, profile, and you also have the option to add it to the watch list. A watch list is a list of stocks that you can access pretty quickly to see what news is going on with them. Anytime you want to access your watch list, you just click those bars at the top left hand of the corner and you see where it says watch list. You just click that and it'll bring up all the stocks which are on your watch list. Next, we take a brief look at M1 Borrow. It allows you to borrow against the securities in your portfolio. I'll make a separate video on M1 Borrow in general. I just want to mention that it is here right now. Moving on to Spend. It's actually a checking account system that M1 is setting up soon. Once again, that'll be covered in another video if you guys want it. I just want to cover it here for this. I just want to mention it here for the sake of letting you know that it's present. When you click the invest at the bottom right of the screen, it shows your portfolio, or it'll be portfolios if you have more than one, but I just have one at this time. So it will show if your stocks are going up in value or down in value, and also the total return. This includes any dividends that you're being paid. Clicking the same bars in the top left hand corner will allow you to see various things with your M1 portfolio. You can see the level of activity, so I'll click on activity. You can see how much has been invested, dividends, etc. You can click on holdings to see your individual stocks that are in your portfolios. And if you wanted to open another account, you could also do so by clicking the add account. If at any point you want to access the settings, you want to click on that little person icon at the top right hand corner. And you can modify your security settings, payment, documents, and take a look at your accounts. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to disclose any of my personal information, but this is just so you know that it's here, as well as support. You can also buy and sell stocks in your portfolio by clicking the plus icon at the bottom right hand of the screen. And that covers the tutorial for M1 Finance in terms of using it for investing. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them below. If you haven't done so and you're interested in signing up for M1 Finance, you can click on the link in the description or click on the link in the card in the top right hand corner. Like I mentioned before, I will receive a commission based off this, but it does help me out and it helps me make free content for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I cover apps that make you money both passively and actively, as well as videos that help you manage this app lifestyle that you've created for yourself. This allows you with the app lifestyle. If you found value in the video, shoot it a like and feel free to share it if you know anyone who could benefit from the information covered. Catch y'all in the next video. Peace out.